acidic. Very acidic, but a lot more strong. And this smells a lot worse. The flask didn't retain its heat properly, but I think it's one of my better attempts. Like, usually you see people doing it in like forests and blah blah, but I just don't have the cutlery for... Is that a plane? Have any like tables and these kind of stuff too? That sounds good. It could be a match. Yeah, you can taste the raspberry right now. That's acidity and both as flavor wise. Yeah, that's better than what? Than the first cup. But I would say it's still a bit stronger. Probably should put another like 1 centimeter less than this time. So.
On a plane landing or?
It's like watching the plane. So.
Oh, you're just watching the plane. I just wondered that was all for. Sometimes it's a special coming in.
Nah, it's usually around 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. They kind of come and go, but that's really it.
That's really it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not exciting.
Nothing.
Nah.